Hey, what's up guys? It's Noah from Tornado Tube here, and it's 12 o'clock at night. Yes, a night chase. And we are on our way towards Enid, Oklahoma. A severe storm is picking up in intensity, and there's chances for spin-up tornadoes and 80-mile-an-hour winds. So here we go. I'll see you guys there. And also, what you guys are looking on is my new 4K Sony camera. It's attached to the grip on the windshield, so no more shaky camera view and all that, you know, stuff that we used to have. So we'll actually have a kind of professional looking video now. So I'll see you guys there.
What all you want to know?
Honestly, what's going on? Like,
You're in Loyal right now, right?
I'm just north of it on some country road.
Right. Okay, well, because that's the most intense side. There's a little bit of a feeder thing that's coming in over here toward Enid. That's, you know, I'm looking at basically that. And things are starting to try to intensify a little bit. But,
So I'm looking at the right side here, and I don't see. Oh, that was a nice strike.
man.
Yeah. I got that on camera. Huh?
Defrost?
Yeah, it's not defrost, it's just winds. It's pounding against us. Oh my God. I'm just gonna... What? There's some rough here. Alright. Yeah.
I don't think you want to go.
I think I just want to go back. Oh. At least we have the wind again. Kind of. It's better than what we were just doing.
Hopefully we don't get stuck.
As long as the winds don't go like this, we're okay. Where's this road take us?
I have no idea.
Is this south?
It is, but I don't think it goes.
Oh my God. Got some damage on the road here. I almost ran it over because I didn't see it until the last second.
Just like I said, there's another one laying over there in the ditch.
Woo, my brakes saved me. Let's just go 20. I don't trust going over that. Can you smell my tires? That person's gonna hit that. I assure you, he's gonna slam into it. Oh, another one right in the left.
Sure enough. Probably because it's telling us to get over. But where do we get over to? Oh, okay.
these cones supposed to be there?
I don't know, dude.
I don't think they're supposed to be there.
No idea.
Yeah, they aren't supposed to be here. They're in the right side. I don't know where I'm supposed to be.
So we're going the right way. There's one up here in front of us. Don't run over it. So it'll get stuck up under your car.
Yeah, we're supposed to be on here.
Huh?
I think we're supposed to be right here.
There's another one right there. There's a flat piece. What is going on over here? That semi just pulled over.
Oh, water.
Yeah.
Looks like the lights are going off and on and that.
That's just wind blowing.
Yeah.
If you want,
Huh?
you can pull over there underneath that. I mean, I wouldn't pull up underneath it.
Yeah, this one.
Go back over here to the right, and then pull out this way.
Yeah, the lights are going off and on, like I said.
Yeah, I'd stop right here. Don't park underneath the awning in case it comes down.
Hear that wind? Got debris blowing at us.
Huh?
Debris blowing at us.
I would pull over there and tell them not. I wouldn't park underneath that, because if the winds come through here at 80 miles an hour, that awning will come down.
It's gonna give me a seizure right there.
Huh?
All those blinking lights.
Oh yeah. Bad stuff right
We are punching it. How much wind's it? Let me see. I don't have much service, so actually I can't see.
That's hurricane force winds right there, dude. I'm serious.
Yeah, I know.
Cat 1 hurricane.
That's definitely not 50-mile-an-hour winds. I can tell you that.
No, I think that was a power flash right there.
Yeah, that was.
dash velocity winds on that thing, dude, are bad. I'm telling you. Yukon, War Acres, Village, all of those are probably looking at
And OKC.
75, 80 mile an hour winds. Those lights are driving me nuts, man.
Yeah, let's get in front of them.
Huh? I don't want, no, don't
Yeah.
park in front of that awning, dude. I'm telling you, if it came down, it'd crush you. You see how it's rocking back and forth.
Well, at least the winds are going like this and not to the side. Because if it did, it probably actually would come down. Just
Jesse went fast. Hey Jesse, are you coming south on 81? Okay, all right. I was gonna say, right. Well, we're pulled over at Okarchi right now, and I was just gonna tell you that there are some construction barricades that are setting out in the middle of the highway, and you cannot see them until you get right up on them. And so, but it's too dangerous to get outside in it right now, you know. So.
It's like this person's stuck in the water over here, or they hydroplaned into this ditch, and there's a crew trying to get them out. I don't think this. Well, guys, it's the end of the chase. It's 5 a.m. and I'm still 30 minutes away from my house. So yeah, I'm guessing it was worth it. I hope, or I hope it was worth it for you guys to watch the video. And thank you for watching if you made it this far. Like I said, and have a good night, everyone.